In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove users in Monday.com. We'll walk through this step by step so you feel confident managing your team members and keeping your workspace clean and up to date. This is especially useful when someone leaves your organization, changes roles, or simply no longer needs access to a specific team. First, open your Monday.com account and make sure you're logged in with an account that has permission to manage teams such as an admin or owner. Once you're on your main workspace, look for the navigation area where you can access different sections of Monday.com. Here, you want to head over to the Teams section. This might appear as Teams in the left-hand sidebar or under your account or workspace settings, depending on your layout. Go ahead and click on Teams. This will open a page that lists all of the teams that exist in your Monday.com account. Each team typically represents a group of users who work together, like a department, project group, or functional area. From this list, find the specific team that contains the user you want to remove. In the example we're using, this is simply called Team 1, but in your account, it could be something like Marketing, Customer Support, or Project Alpha. Click on that team name to open the team details. Once the team page is open, you'll see information about that team, including the list of members. Here, move your focus to the highlighted area that shows individual team members and the options next to their names. You might see an icon, 3 dots, or another small menu indicator next to each user. Click on that highlighted menu for the user you want to remove. This opens a small set of options specific to that person. Among those options, look for the one that says Remove from Team. Click Remove from Team to take that user out of the selected team. After you do this, the user will no longer be listed as a member of that team. You can repeat this same process for any other users you want to remove. Open the team, find the user, open their menu, and select Remove from Team. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly and safely keep your Monday.com teams accurate, removing users who no longer need access while keeping everything organized for the rest of your workspace.